Namaskar. This video is on the topic of Civil Procedure Code. We are going to do a quick revision in a simple language through a shared PDF notes. Total 58 topics have been covered in this video. You may download the PDF notes through the link mentioned in the description and in the first comment of this video. You are going to read following topics and subtopics in this video. These are as follows. Introduction of CPC. In that, we will discuss meaning, historical background, introduction, nature, object, scope, civil code procedure, which will include the diagram as well. Second one is foreign judgment, in which we will discuss meaning, nature and scope, objects, when foreign judgment is conclusive, binding and conclusiveness. Third one is commissions, meaning of commissions, who can appoint a commissioner, who can be appointed as a commissioner, procedure for appointment of a commissioner, powers of the commissioner, which will mention in order 26 rule 16 to 18, entitled to remuneration or not, limitations on the commissioners. Other one is arrest before the judgment, what would be the applicability, conditions, security, surety, guarantor, cases in which order not applicable. Other topic is attachment before judgment, in which we will read applicability, exemptions, when it is void, section 95. Other topic is doctrine of set-off. What would be the meaning of the doctrine of set-off? Conditions to file, effects, kinds. Then other topic would be issues, order 10, rule 1 and rule 2. We will discuss in the same. Other subtopic is framing of issues, kinds of issues, wrong way effects, importance, power and duties of court, materials for framing issues, effect of omission. Other topic is inherent power of the court, meaning, exercising inherent powers, ex debitio justitiae. What would be the meaning for the same? What would be the example of ex debitio justitiae? Other maxim is actus curiae nemini, meaning, example. Then other topic is indigent person or pauper. What would be the meaning, scope and object, procedure to sue, rejection of application, dispauper a plaintiff. What would be the ground? Other topic is inter pleda suite. What would be the meaning, example, objects, conditions of inter pleda suit, how to file, characteristics of inter pleda suit as well we will discuss in this one. Other topic is injunction, definition of injunction, kinds, temporary injunctions, what would be the objects, grounds and principles of temporary injunctions, permanent injunction, injunctions that may be granted, court order disobedient, notice ex parte injunctions. Then we will discuss on the topic of institution of suits. What is the meaning, essentials, process. Then another topic is receiver, meaning, appointment, power, duties and liabilities of receiver we will discuss in this topic. Then execution, meaning, who can apply, by which court, which mode we can apply execution we will discuss in this topic. Other topic is section 47, questions by the court for executing decree. What is the meaning, conditions, scope and object, questions, when the court goes behind the decree, duties of executing court, case laws we will discuss in this topic. Other topic is mean profit. What is the meaning of mean profit, object. Then other topic is judgment debtor, section 2 subsection 10 we will discuss the meaning. Decree holder, section 2 subsection 3. Legal representative, section 2 subsection 11. Meaning and who can be legal representatives we will see in this one. Ex parte decree, meaning will read in this topic. Garnishi order, meaning, parties, issuance we will discuss under the Garnishi order topic. Precept, what is the meaning of precept we will see in this topic. Other topic is ratable distribution of assets. What is the meaning, object, conditions, essentials we will see in this topic. Judgment, what is the meaning of judgment, what is the essentials of judgment we will see in this one. cause of action. What is the meaning of cause of action? Restitution, meaning, doctrine of restitution, who may apply restitution, we will see in this one. Interlocutory orders, what is the introduction? Certain interlocutory orders, we will see in this topic. Multifariousness, what is the meaning of the same, we will discuss in this topic. Then other topic is rejoinder, then joinder of parties, non-joinder, misjoinder, pro forma defendants, cross objections. Under cross objections, we will see the meaning, nature. Other topic is abatement. We will see the meaning of abatement. What is the meaning of representative suit? Definition, object, conditions for filing representative suit. We will see in this topic. Another topic is law of limitation. We will see meaning, objects, principles, natures, non-applicability. Other topic is sufficient cause. We will see meaning, examples. Another one is section 4, expiry of a prescribed period. We will see meaning, maxims. Two maxims are also there, actus curiae neminem gravabit, and other one is lex non cogit ad impossibilia. Other topic is section 6 to 8, legal disability. Then section 9, continuous running of time. Section 10, sued by or against trustee, etc. We will see the meaning, example, conditions. These topics comes under the limitation acts. Then again we will see section 16, what is the meaning, example of section 16. Section 17, effect of fraud or mistake, meaning and examples. Section 18, effect of acknowledgement, meaning and applicability. Appeal, meaning, requirement to file, who cannot file, types of appeal, power and duties of appellate court. Then another topic is appeal from appellate decree, which will cover under section 100 to 103 and order 42. We will see section 100, substantial question of law, section 100A, section 101, section 102, section 103. Then another topic is summons, meaning, definition, object, essentials, and summons when necessary, appearance in person, exemptions, contents, mode of service, objections. We will see all these subtopics under summons. Then another topic is plaint. What is the meaning, contents of plaint, essentials of plaint, rejection grounds of plaint. Another topic is written statement, meaning, who can file, time limit, content, counterclaim, meaning and example. Suit by or against the government, who are the parties, procedure to file suit, where to send legal notice, essentials of legal notice, case laws, exemptions. We will see under this suit by or against the government. Stay of suit, section 10, res sub judice. We will see the meaning, objectives, conditions, case laws. Reference, what is the meaning of reference, conditions to use, who can apply reference. Another topic is review, meaning, grounds, who can make a review. Then last two topics are as follows, that is revision, meaning of revision, examples, when can be made, time limit. Another topic is caveat, section 148A. What is the meaning, caveator, who is caveatee, objective, when to lodge a caveat, who may file, where can file, time limitation. All these topics we will cover in this single video, and PDF notes are already available for your reference. You do not need to write down anything, you just need to go through the PDF notes. You will come to know all the things very easily. Thank you.